Hello everyone. I was recently sent this TC100 Wi-Fi camera here by my friends over at Teckin for review, but today I thought I'd do an unboxing so we can see exactly what we get in the box. And we'll start by taking a look at the box itself. There's the codes for the app you need for the camera. Okay. So we open it up. And first of all we find the little instruction manual here. Okay, so put that to one side. As you can see, the camera itself is nicely packaged. Right, can we get it out? What have we got here then? Well, this must be the camera. Then we have an additional little box here. So we'll move all this lot to one side. Let's take a look at what we get in this box here then, shall we? Okay, so this is the camera. There we go. What do we have here then? We have a micro SD card slot just here. What we've got round the back here then? Got a little speaker there. And there is your USB power input, and then we have here the reset button. And that's all we have there. And on the front we obviously have the camera itself. See just there. Here is the microphone and the LED status light. On the back of the camera itself we have an alternate mounting hole here. So basically what you do is you can pull the stand off. It takes some doing, but it comes off, and you can then mount it in the back of the camera like so. Okay, let's move along to the little accessory box here. Just a plain box. That's well and truly stuck in there. There we go. Set that aside. We obviously have a lead here. Can we get into it? Yes, and it is the USB power lead for the camera. So here is the there we go, let's get into it. It's all sellotaped up, we'll get into it. There we are. The charging brick to power it up with. This one is for the UK market, as you can see, and it simply plugs in like so. The other end of the lead plugs into the back of the camera. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of the Teckin TC100 camera that was very kindly sent to me by Teckin. I will be doing a full review on this camera in the very near future, so stay tuned to the channel. Once again, thank you to Teckin for sending the camera to me. I do hope you'll pop by to Rathbone Manor in the very near future, as I will be, as I say, reviewing said camera here. Alright then everyone, thanks for popping over, thanks for taking a look at the unboxing, and I will catch you laters. Thanks for watching.